Hey YouTube, Miss Chandler 27 coming to you real quick with my Dollar General haul. As you can see, I did the game deal. When you spend 20, it takes off 5. And of course, I used all digital coupons. There was $2 off for the fabric softener, 50 cents off the dish soap, $2 off of the laundry detergent, and a 3 off too for the Febreze. And I picked this up for my baby because she wouldn't stop crying, so it was $5. And let me show you all my receipt with the breakdown. As you can see, you see all the prices of the items. And after all the coupons, I paid out of pocket $13.57 for all of these items. And I think that's pretty good. Like I say, for me, I go in and do deals for stuff that I actually use and need, that I use on a regular basis. And of course, you know, throwing in the doll, it kind of boosted my total, but still, for all of these items, it still was an awesome price and an awesome deal to do. So if you all have the Dollar General app, you can also do this deal. All you have to do is clip your coupons to your account, and then once you pick up the items, you go up front, put in your number, and it takes off. Easy breezy. So just wanted to come to you all and show you what I picked up. And until my next video, be blessed.